Hi everybody. In this video, we're going to go over the steps that we follow in order to set up the Axonaut app within your sub account and connect to your Axonaut platform, but more importantly, to be able to start executing actions directly from your workflow. Let's get started. Inside your sub account, you go at the app marketplace, you search for the app, you go for Axonaut. There you go, you click on it, you select install, you go at allow and install. There's an API key required in order to get the installation going. But before we go any further though, if you notice, there's a smart here. So if you click on it, it will show you how to get the API key. But let's do it together. Let's switch to our Axonaut platform. We're inside Axonaut. We come here, scroll down, API, show your API key. Okay. There you go. We copy, we switch back, we paste, and we continue. Perfect. Now the tool is already connected and we can start executing actions directly from the workflow. On another video, we will go through all the workflow apps, show you how to test all those actions. Thank you for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give some thumbs up. If you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button below.